All right, kids, here we go. This is, I want to put your name at the top. And if you're in my class, put your number on there. All right, you're going to be getting these types of problems and these types of problems for you in your homework packet next week. And just kind of want to review it with you, okay? So the first one here has been done for us. It's there are 15 shapes below. How many groups can 6 make? How many groups of 6 can you make with them? And how many we have left over? So what they did is they circled a group of 6. They circled another group of 6. And then you can't group 6 here. And then over here in the answer section, they said, well, I can make 2 full groups and there'll be 3 left over. You see how that works? So over there, 2 full groups, 3 left over. Number 1, let's do that one together. There are 27 shapes below. How many groups of 5 can you make with them? And how many are left over, okay? I can see here there's 1A and 1B. We need to tell me how many groups in 1A and how many are left over in group B. So how many groups of 5 can I make? So I just got to be careful here and make a group of 5. So 3 and 2. Okay, there's 5. And then there's 5. And then there's 5 again. And then here's 5. Good. And I can't make another group of 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 with 2 left over. And that makes sense. 5 groups of 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27. Okay? Let's skip down here so I can show you what this one looks like, okay? These first 2 have been done for us, and let's just kind of review those. 6 times 3 is as close to 23 as you can get without going over. So over here, see, you're going to have to figure out how many 6s is as close you can get. Like how many 6s fit into 23 without going over. And that would be 3, right? I can count, if I skip count, 6, 12, 18, 24. You see how 24 goes over 23? So I got to back off one and say just 3. So 6 times 3 is 18, and then over here, we say it fits in 3 times without going over. Same thing here. 8 times 4 is close to as 33 as you can get without going over. See, 8, 16, 24, 32. If I hit one more, it's 40. That would be higher than 33. So it's 8 times 4 is 32, so it just fits in 4 times without going over. This one says 9 times blank is as close to 58 as you can get without going over. So I'm going to think to myself, well, 9 times. Well, if I know my 9s table, so I can count by 9s, or I can say, well, I know 9 times 5 really well. It's 45, right? So 9 times 6 would be 54. 9 times 7 would be 63. That's too much. So this has to be 6. So I'd write down 6 here because 9 times 6 is 54. You see how close 54 is to 58? Doesn't go over. That's important to know. So my answer here was 6. So why don't we spend a few moments here just working on this to finish up class today. All right? And then tune back in. Actually, and then when you're done, your teachers will have the answers. We'll be happy to to say them out loud or go around and answer them for you, okay? All right, kids. Enjoy your weekend.